Hey guys, my name is Andy and I will be teaching the Animation Foundation 101 at CGMA. Right now, I'm a senior animator at Film Montreal, but I also spent the last decade taking humans, dinosaurs, animals, creatures, but also robots, spaceships, toys, and make them run, jump, climb, scare little girls, walk, crawl, fly, talk, and electrify. All of these through different projects, films, blockbusters, TV series, inside some of the best studios around the world. Animation Foundation 101 is a 10-week course where you will learn and practice everything you need to know about the 12 holy principles of animation, on what makes a good shot, and how we can make it even better. Now let's check out what we're going to talk about during these 10 weeks. Timing versus spacing, squash and stretch, arcs, anticipation, appeal, balance, weight shift, secondary action, the importance of planning and references, the importance of contrast, how to speed up your workflow, staging, the walk, and many other courses. And to help us along the way, we will be looking and analyzing various examples in 2D, 3D, stop motion, real life, VFX, and a sprinkle of animated feature film. In the Animation Foundation 101, you will get 10 video lectures pre-recorded, and we will have 10 live sessions together, where you will have the opportunity to ask questions and listen to me talking about animation even more. With each week comes a new exciting and challenging assignment with an increasing difficulty that will help you to master some very solid foundations in animation. Using a large variety of rigs, some of them created specifically for this course. And for each assignment, you will get personalized feedback with notes, drawings, and video recordings of me talking to you. So, want some more info about the course? More questions about me? What I usually eat for breakfast? Or even better, you're super excited and you would like to sign up for my class? Head to cgmasteracademy.com and click here. I'll see you guys very soon.